What is EBIT? What is EBITDA? Which is better to use and when? Why can't I just use net income? All the answers coming up. Welcome, thank you for being here. I'm excited for you to take this small step on your path to building your rapidly growing, highly diversified net worth. And one video at a time, that's exactly what we're doing here on this channel. When you're trying to figure out how profitable a company is, you might be tempted to just pull out their income statement and just look down at the bottom line, the bottom of the income statement, the net income. It's logical, but that number is actually not super helpful when attempting to value a company. The reason for that is because there are several expenses that come out before that bottom line that aren't truly representative of a company's current performance. A better place where many successful investors look is a little higher up on that same statement. It's called EBIT, or earnings before interest and taxes. This is that same net income number, but it's excluding the company's interest, expense, and taxes. The reason that's valuable is because neither of these really represent the company's current performance, what you really care about when you're trying to assess value. The interest they pay has to do with past financing terms, and the taxes a company pays varies based on geography and the mad tax skills of their accountants. So removing both of those offers a clearer picture of the current income, of their current performance. Now, Wall Street likes to stretch this idea even further with EBITDA, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. An argument can be made for not including a company's depreciation expenses because they represent the historical investment decisions that a company has made and not current performance, especially for capital-intensive industries like telecom or oil and gas. This metric could prove useful. But although it's pretty much industry accepted and commonly used, a counterpoint from Warren Buffett should be considered.
In respect to EBITDA, depreciation is an expense, and it's the worst kind of an expense.
So, if you choose to use EBITDA for your analysis, as many successful investors do, to Buffett's point, be sure to at least specifically evaluate and compare the depreciation expenses of the company you're researching, because it does still have a major impact. So now you know, net income, we love you, but you're not giving us the full picture for our valuation. It's not until you add back the taxes and interest and maybe the depreciation that you can really use these numbers and ratios derived from these numbers to compare different companies. We'll definitely be exploring some of those ratios and additional metrics you can use to build your rapidly growing, highly diversified net worth. So if you're new here and that's something you'd like to do, take a moment, click subscribe, click the bell, and then get ready to keep learning. Like and share this video if it helped. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.